Hey everybody, it's Kristina from Kristina's Crafts. I just recently went to Dollar Tree and I found this little crate. Oh my gosh, I was so excited when I saw it. My Dollar Tree has not had these before, but I had the perfect thing to do with it. So I took that off of there, and then I am going to use this elephant chalk paint, and I am going to put a coat just on the outside. I am not going to try to get it completely covered because I am going to distress it. But I'm definitely thinking the gray color is the color that I want to go with. So I'm going to get the whole outside done. Like I said, maybe not worry about the inside, maybe just the tops, like right up here, just in case that would show. But I'm planning on filling the crate, so you shouldn't even be able to see the inside of it. Okay, my crate is painted, and then I'm just going to take some of this white Waverly chalk paint, and I am going to dry brush some white on my crate. So I am just going to go around the whole crate and dry brush white on. I'm going to put it on pretty thick, so it's going to look pretty much about like that. Alright, my crate is all finished. I think it looks so cute. Okay, so then the next thing that I'm going to do is I love blue for Christmas, and I want to put this blue Christmas tree in there. And I want it to stick up, obviously. I don't want it sitting like that, so I want it up a little bit. So I have this foam here that I am going to cut down until I get about the right height. I wish I would have grabbed a knife, but this is all I have right now. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to hot glue that in there. And then I am going to take my tree. Just see I have a little straggler here. I'm going to take my tree and stick it on top of there. I think maybe a tad bit lower. I think it's a little too high yet. Let's try that. Oh, that's a pretty good height right there. All right, so I'm just going to take some hot glue, put it right on my foam here, and stick that about in the center. Now I am going to take some of this Spanish moss, and this is why I didn't bother painting the whole inside of the crate, because I knew I was going to fill the inside of this with the Spanish moss. So I'm going to go ahead and go stuff this in here and go all the way around. I'm not going to go up too far because I still have to put my tree on there. This is going to be one of the quickest, easiest projects I've done in a while. Alright, so I'm getting my Spanish moss in there, and then I'm just taking this little tool and I'm just kind of pulling some of it out a little bit so it sticks out of the crate. Like so. I think that looks really cute. Even though I'm going to cover one part of it up, but okay. So then the next thing is to put my tree on there, and that is going to sit right in the middle here, and I'm just going to hot glue that down. I just want to make sure I got as much of the Spanish moss off of there as I can, so it seals really good. And of course, glue stick every time. Alright, and then I'm going to stick that right on my foam. Alright, and then I'm going to stick a little bit more Spanish moss in here, because I'm just going to cover up the wood down there. I don't need to see that little wood piece that's on there. Alright, I got my Spanish moss in there. Then I have this vase filler that I got from Dollar Tree, and I'm just going to stick a couple pine cones in here. I just think it's going to give it a little bit extra touch. So I'm just going to hot glue those right down into my Spanish moss here. Alright, and then I'm going to stick one over on that side yet. Let's try not to get it stuck to my fingers. Kind of peeking out here a little bit. I think I need to find a little bit better one. That one looks kind of smushed. There, just stick those right in there. I just think that gives it a little bit extra touch. Then I think there's just one more thing that I'm going to do to this one. I'm keeping this one really simple. And I have this little snowflake that I got from Dollar Tree, and I'm just going to stick this right on the front of my crate here. So it has it's a little sticker, and I'm going to keep that on there because I want it to kind of pop off a little bit. So I'm just going to stick my snowflake right on the front here. And I think that's all I'm going to do with this one. I think it looks pretty good just the way it is. So that is it. Probably took like, I don't even know, maybe 20 minutes or so. And I think it's super cute. I don't know, but I love blue though. Blue's my Christmas color. So I just want to say thanks for watching, and I hope that you subscribe, hit the little bell so you get notified when I upload, and take care. Bye.